In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Windows 11. Updating your account picture is a simple way to personalize your PC and make your account easier to recognize. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and then select Settings. You can also press Windows+I on your keyboard to open settings quickly. In the Settings window, click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. Next, select your info. Under the Adjust Your Photo section, you'll see options to change your profile picture. If you already have a photo saved on your computer, click Browse Files. Navigate to the location of the image you want to use, select it, and then click Choose Picture. Windows will immediately update your account picture, and you'll see the new image appear in the Settings window, Start menu, and Sign In screen. If your device has a webcam, you can also click Open Camera to take a new photo and use it as your profile picture. That's all there is to it. You have successfully changed your profile picture in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, be sure